Saudi Cup, sir. Oh wow. We're gonna stay here. Rent 3,500. Apartment. But is it safe? It's not safe. Oi. Oi. So guys, good morning. How is everybody doing? Every time I'm driving with the Grab on a highway, on the left side, I see like where the locals are living, you know, like very old houses. Basically like a squatter place, but it's not a squatter place. It's just very old place, you know. So I will just go take the motorbike and let's go discover that place. Yeah, let's see what the locals are doing. Let's go. Ooh, what a nice weather. I see some foreigners driving with this motorbike. I think it's like 300cc probably. I think it's the same engine what I have. Yeah, it is. It's a 300cc engine. Oil filter, everything is at the same place. Yeah, I'm sure it's the same engine. Quang Toi. Guys, we're gonna go Quang Toi. Hello, sir. Saudi Cup. Yeah.
Where are you going, sir?
I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Damn. Guys, we're here. Saudi Cup. Saudi Cup, everybody. Why so shy? Yeah. Why so shy? Yeah, don't be shy. Hello, sir. Saudi Cup.
Saudi Cup.
Yeah. Damn. Oh my goodness. Damn, what the hell is this? Look at this place. That's crazy. I see Pepsi. Let's go try to buy something. Saudi Cup, sir. Saudi Cup. Oh wow. Damn, everybody's hustling already. Damn, look at this. Wow. They do the parking same way as they do it in my place. You see those cars over there, right? So basically this car will put the neutral and they're just gonna push it like this. You're gonna own this car, right? And you wanna get out, you just need to push this car like this. Yeah, that's what they do. Wow, damn, I've never been in this place. They have water service here. So basically, maybe 20 local money. You just put 20 local money, boom, you press this. And you can refill your water. Do we have coins? Let's see. Maybe we can do it. So, do we have coins? Oh yeah, we have 10. We have 15, let's see. We put one inside. Oh wow. Come on now, give water. Yeah, like that. That's amazing, right? You can just get fresh water here. I will go big. I don't wanna disturb privacy. Let's just speak. Oh wow, they even have a camera here. So like that. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Damn, I wonder how much is the rent here. Let's ask from the store maybe. Probably it's a school over there. Saudi Cup. Hello.
Hello.
Oh yeah. You speak English? You have good English? Yeah, let's drink water. 10 baht. Okay.
Man.
Yeah. Miss, how much is rent? Rent.
3,500
What?
3,500 baht.
3,500. Apartment.
Yeah. ต่อเลยค่ะ
Oh wow.
ต่อเดือน
per month.
Oh wow. That's good. 3,500. 10 baht.
Unavailable.
Huh?
But now unavailable.
Oh yeah, of course. 3,500. You keep the change. Thank you, miss. Keep the change, yeah. You don't want.
Thank you.
You don't want. Thank you. Oh wow, damn, the water is the best. Do you live here? You don't live here. But is it safe?
ปลอดภัยไหมกลางคืน
พวกเราขาเราก็มีห้องหรอกไม่ไง
เขาถามบอกกลางคืนปลอดภัยบอกพี่จอย
It's not safe. Oh wow. It's not safe for night time. Then that's crazy. So I don't know, guys, if you see over there, they have a highway. 3,500. I think it's exactly 100 USD. Let's go another place. Let's discover another place. I have more places. There's so many places like this. Sawadee krap, sir. Oh wow. Oh wow. Damn. I was trying to go to another place, but it was starting to rain. Sawadee krap, sir. Oh wow. We're gonna stay here. There's also lots of people here. Look at this. Oh my goodness, damn, look at these houses. Yeah, here you have more people. People are making food and everything. Oh my goodness. You can even wash your clothes here. You put 40 baht inside. You can wash your clothes here. Oh wow. Not bad. Then there's so police. Oh my goodness. Sawadee krap.
สวัสดีค่ะ ระวังรถชนนะคะ
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
ไทยไทยไทย
Let's go. Let's go. Damn, this house is also damn. Guys, let's go. I will show you something. Look at this. How cool this is. Oh wow. Is it, guys? That's this fruit. Yeah, very good. Sawadee krap, sir. Fish and everything. Oh my goodness, damn! It's so nice. Oh yeah.
เป็นหมูพูดภาษาอังกฤษไม่เป็น
I don't know what is this, but that's fish for sure. Oh yeah, the kids can do their thing over there. Oh yeah, look at. So people can really do their exercise here. I can't believe. I need to do the stretch. It's nice. Oh. La 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 la. Oi. Oi. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Wow. I think we will get out from this place here. Yeah, we can get it out. We can go out. I need to remember where did I put my motorbike. Otherwise, it's so easy to lose it. Yeah, I came from that direction. A barber. I wonder how much is the barber. Let's ask. Hello, sir. How much? How much?
How much?
To cut the hair?
150.
60. 160.
50.
150. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh wow, he have a nice. Damn, he have a nice aircon there also. It's not like Philippines. Ooh. Sawadee krap.
สวัสดีครับ
Little store. Sawadee krap. Damn, that's amazing. That's a very amazing. Hopefully, if we're gonna go this direction, we will end up to the port. Sawadee krap.
ฮัลโหลไปไหนจ้านู่นขับรถ
Why?
บดบด
Yeah,
yes บด
boat.
นู่นเท่าไรไหวเท่าไร
Oh, really?
โนโนทางนี้ไม่โน
You sure?
โนอย่าไปย่า
Oh, really?
yes
Kapunga.
ไม่เป็นไร
Bye bye. I like this road even better. This place is super amazing. Then did I see fish over there? Cat poop. Oh my goodness, there's such a big fish, guys. Yeah, he went under this. Look. Then the fish is running around here. Over there also. Sawadee krap.
เอาไว้เฉย
Where's the boat?
Huh?
Boat. I will just go straight. Okay, thank you, sir. Oh yeah, I see. Oh wow. Damn, look at this. There's so much fish there. Guys, can you see? There's so much fish coming up. Look at this view. There also. Oh wow. Sir, do you have this? Here. Really? Wow. What is this? They use bread. Oh wow, earthworms. Damn, that's so good. Earthworms. Damn, that's so nice. So that's the fish they're trying to catch. Damn, that's a nice fish. Yeah. That's a very nice place to just chill. Yeah. Seems like the fish is not taking. Okay, sirs. Bye-bye. Very nice. Is this Chinese marking or what? Yeah, of course it's Chinese. You know what's crazy? If I take out money from my wallet, I put it on the ground and I will step on it. I do like this. I will be arrested because I will be disrespecting the king. So the cup, sir. Could I have a protein shake? Strawberry, let's buy this. Oh. Sawadee krap, sir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got everything. Christmas. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's heavy. Ta-da! That's nice, right? Damn. Look at this. I can do operation. This. Kaboom! Look at this fancy toolbox. Damn, you can even sit here. You can stand on it. Yeah, big one. I can put all my tools here. Yeah. Damn, that's a big toolbox. It's so strong. Boom! Oh wow. Big, small and medium. Then that's a small one. That's a very good one. Yes, sir. What is this? Is that for me, really? I don't know what the hell is this. You know what that is? Brake cleaner, guys. To clean the chain. Look at this. 1 USD. That's amazing. 5 USD. Then in Estonia you need to put 5 USD. You get 1. Damn, life is so easy here. So guys, we gotta use our tools already. Look at the pressure here. Damn, the water is just not coming through at all. We have actually very good pressure. Why it's always me who have to do those things? Everywhere I go, like the doors are squeaking. Ah, guys, you can't imagine. Damn, can it be even more disgusting? Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's getting cleaned up. Yeah. What else? I'll fix everything. We have to pay our electricity bill. Yeah, we need to go to the 7-Eleven. Okay. Let's see. Is that my electricity bill? I think so, that's my electricity bill. Miss, is that electricity bill? Okay, okay. 7-Eleven. Bro, how can I pay this? How much it was? Yeah, like this. Damn, that's crazy. It's so easy. What is this?
Enter. Pin.
Ah, enter, okay.
Number 4.
What number? Ah, phone number. We paid 1,000. Damn, can you imagine our electricity was... Damn, that's crazy. Our whole month electricity was 30 USD and the aircon is on 24/7. I'll buy meat. Oh yeah. Sawadee krap. I don't know, just give me... Yeah, okay. One. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. Where is the guy? You're welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. I paid the electricity, so easy. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye-bye. So guys, check this. Another meal, another salmon. Yeah, that's what we're gonna eat. Staying healthy. Yeah. I didn't even go to the store today. I just eating the yesterday salmon. Them is so cheap here, it's crazy. You cannot even compare the life here in Western. Even though look at this Bangkok, such a big and rich city, you know. But still, it's so cheap. Damn, this Thailand is just amazing, guys. So, guys, that was it. That's the whole day. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.